Dear colleagues, a carbon management hub is being proposed for Northern Arizona that integrates multiple carbon management technologies. These may include point source CO2 capture at existing coal-fired power plants and at plants converted to natural gas, as well as direct air capture systems. CO2 would then be transported via pipelines spanning several tens of miles to one or more injection wells. The captured CO2 would then be injected deep underground into fractured granite formations for long-term storage. The ASU team is contributing to the risk assessment of this proposal for the Four Corners Regional Initiative through a Delphi survey. New Mexico Tech and Los Alamos National Lab are leading the subsurface risk assessment of the storage site. They are considering the risk to groundwater contamination, seismicity, leakage, following processes developed under the National Risk Assessment Partnership. Our contribution at ASU focuses on three complementary perspectives. 1. Project management and operations. 2. Community emergency response. And 3. Carbon markets. For project management, we are concerned about risks that might impede the successful completion of construction, commissioning, and sustained operations. For emergency community response, we are concerned with the preparation of local emergency response teams to an uncontrolled release of CO2. And for carbon markets, we are interested in risks that might affect the guarantee of a claimed climate outcome and the integrity of a buyer's purchase of carbon sequestration on carbon markets. You do not need to be a project developer, carbon market expert, or emergency management expert to contribute to this study. We are interested in your professional judgment as experts in the various aspects of carbon management. We are utilizing a method called Delphi, which uses multiple survey rounds to gather input and allow for revisions between each round. In this first round that we are sending you this week, this is exploratory. It is split into the 3 sections for each of the 3 perspectives. We will present you with categories of risks that we have found in the literature and a list of risks. We will ask you to add or remove risks from the list based on your best judgment. We will also ask you to think about a set of realistic, community-relevant emergency scenarios that local emergency management teams and communities may need to prepare for in the event of an uncontrolled release of CO2 from pipelines, injection wells, monitoring wells, legacy wells, or the reservoir itself associated with the projects. There are no right or wrong answers. Responses may be qualitative or quantitative. And if uncertainty exists, please describe it rather than omit it. The objective of this work is to systematically characterize risks associated with carbon removal and carbon sequestration to inform planning, design, and make governance decisions for the future hub. Lastly, I should let you know the survey is not anonymous to the research team, but individual responses will not be shared with the other participants and will not be attributed in any way in any publications, reports, or presentations. Thank you very much for your input, and please do not hesitate to reach out to the team if you have any questions.